In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the original IPSW file and how to import it onto your iTunes software so that you can be able to flash, restore, or even update your iPhone iOS version. Alright, so without wasting much time, let's quickly jump into it. Alright, so to import the IPSW firmware onto the iTunes software, all you have to do is, you see this shift button on your computer keyboard. This shift button, all you have to do is to hold the shift button like this. Once you are holding the shift button on your PC keyboard, then either you are trying to update the device or you are trying to restore the device. For the sake of this video, we are trying to update the device iOS version. We don't want to lose the data. But if you want to full flash it, then you will choose the restore iPhone. But keep holding the shift button. Then you click on the one that you want. So I'll go ahead and select update. This will automatically pop up the file that you are looking for. Once you have found the file that you are looking for, then you will double click on the file. Then you are going to read the instructions here. If your iPhone can't be updated, you will need to restore it to factory resets. So what it means is that you should make sure to back up your stuffs, because if the device is not able to update, then it will automatically flash. So make sure you take note of this when you are using the update option. But if you are using the restore option like this one here, I will still hold the shift button and click on it, then I'll select it. So if you are using this one, they will just tell you iTunes will erase and restore your iPhone to iOS 15.8.3 depending on the iPhone you are trying to flash. Then you just go ahead and click restore, and you can see from the top here, extracting software. Now the flashing has begun. And from here, you will start seeing changes on your iPhone device. Just make sure that during the flashing, make sure that the USB cable is stable and everything is intact. Alright, so if you are new to this channel, make sure to like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime we drop a new video, you will be the first to know. Now, to get started, you need to first of all put your device into recovery mode. Then you go ahead and launch the iTunes software. So when you launch the iTunes software, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now, for the iTunes software to detect your device and be able to flash and restore the device, this device has to be in recovery mode. And for you to put this device into recovery mode, all you have to do is to turn off the device. So when you turn off the device, depending on the type of iPhone that you are trying to flash or update iOS version, but this is iPhone 6s Plus, you can hold the home button here. Make sure that the device is powered off. You hold the home button here, then you plug in the USB cable. As you plug in the USB cable, you will keep on holding the home button till you see this logo here. This means your device is now in recovery mode. Now, as soon as your device is in recovery mode, automatically the iTunes software is going to detect your device and it is going to display this information on the interface. All right, here it says there is a problem with the iPhone. The iPhone requires to be updated or restored. But do not worry about this particular prompt. Just cancel it. My USB cable is shaking, so that's why it is going off and on. Let me try and change my USB cable. So it is advisable that during this process, you need to use original data cable for this process. Yeah, so here I have another data cable. So this is the previous one. This one is very, very good, but I've been using it for a while now. Since it is shaking, I just have to replace the USB cable. All right, so the device is still in recovery mode. Then I'll just go ahead and plug in the device. Then we cancel the prompt. And right here, you can see that we have three options here. We have eject iPhone. This one will automatically disconnect the device from the software. And we also have this option here, update. If you want to update the iOS version and maintain your information on the device, this option here will not erase any of your data. You will not lose any of your data. And we also have the third option here, which is restore iPhone. This is the same as full flash. If you use this option, every data on your device is going to be deleted. All right, so if you have not downloaded the IPSW firmware, you should go straight to the browser. Whether you are trying to update the iPhone or you are trying to flash or restore it, you still need the IPSW file. So you go straight to your browser, and I'm going to leave the link in the description. It is going to redirect you to this website where you will see the ipsw.me. Now, this is how the interface is going to look like. Over here, you can select the type of iPhone that you are trying to flash. For the sake of this video, I'm trying to flash an iPhone 6s Plus. So you scroll down here, then you will find iPhone 6s Plus. Then you click on it. You make sure to select the latest iOS version. And then you can go ahead and download it from this website. Now you can always download it whenever you are free, mostly in the midnight where the data bundle is much more cheaper, because as you can see, this is about 5 gigabytes. Once you have downloaded it, it should be saved in your folder right in the download section. So once you have downloaded it, it should be in your download center. All right, so this is how it's going to look like when you've downloaded it. Now, how do you import it into the iTunes software? If you click restore iPhone, automatically you accept it here. Then this iTunes software will start downloading it right from the iTunes software interface. So let me go ahead and click next and agree. Then we'll confirm what I'm trying to show you. So you can see this round icon over here. You click on it, and then you'll find out that the iTunes software has started downloading the firmware for us. And based on how fast your internet is, it is going to take 22 minutes for my internet to download this software. And you can see that it is 5 gig, which is going to be very expensive for me to spend on flashing this device. So I'm going to cancel it. So When you click on any of these directly, it is automatically going to download the firmware for you. But since you have already downloaded the firmware onto your PC, you don't need the iTunes to download it for you again.